Hey there, let's talk about the Pro Webspace Dashboard. Symbaloo Webspaces include a dashboard containing important information and settings. You can access your dashboard by clicking on your Webspace in the navigation sidebar. From your Webspace menu, you should be able to see Webspace Dashboard at the very bottom. This video will show a dashboard for a paid Symbaloo Pro subscription. Free Webspaces will also have a dashboard, but it will have fewer options and less information than the one shown here. Once you navigate to your dashboard, you will be able to see your subscription details in the top left section. This includes the Pro plan you are on, the subscription start and expiration dates, and your Webspace URL. On the right, you can see subscription renewal options for your Webspace. The right side also includes a quick link to customization options for your Webspace. Webspace customization includes your Webspace logo and your Webspace icon, and below, you can choose a default search engine for your center box. We'll dive further into those options in a later video. Let's go back to your dashboard. The sections in the center of your dashboard will display details of your monthly Webspace usage and the number of days until the usage counter resets. Your Webspace will have a monthly allotment of page views based on the Pro subscription you have selected. If the maximum number of page views is exceeded, then advertising banners will be enabled until your usage resets in the following month. If you find that your Webspace is constantly exceeding the monthly usage limit, you may want to consider upgrading your Pro subscription to a higher tier. On the right side of the center section, you have the option to add more Webspaces under your current subscription plan, which is useful if you are a school or district user and you want to assign specific Webspaces to different educators. Any usage generated by additional Webspaces will be included in the total page views of your primary subscription. In the section at the bottom of your dashboard, you can see and manage any users and administrators associated with your Webspace. Adding users will allow you to control which webmixes are visible to each specific user or user group, which we will cover in more detail later. However, keep in mind that this feature requires the users to have their own Symbaloo account and is therefore not recommended for Webspace users that are under the age of 13 for student privacy reasons. If you click on Manage Users, you will be able to add more users and administrators to help you manage your Webspace. Now let's return to your dashboard one last time to explain the settings at the very bottom of your Webspace dashboard. The settings you see here can be turned on and off by using these toggle buttons. This child-safe mode is recommended if your Webspace is going to be used by children under the age of 13. It will disable certain Symbaloo features to ensure that it is compliant with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. If you'd like more information on it, you can click on the question mark icon right here. With the login required, you can close off your Webspace to only those that are included in your Webspace user list. And finally, the security settings at the bottom can help you keep strict control over who can view your Webspace or what type of content can be accessed. IP blocking can be used to ensure that only certain set of computers within a school, classroom, or library, for example, can access your Webspace. And web filters can be used to filter and block links to different categories of content. You can click on the settings icon right here to set specific settings for these features and use the toggle buttons on your dashboard to turn them on and off. This concludes the Webspace dashboard overview. Learn about your Pro Webspace settings in more detail in the next video.